These orbs are transportation. I don't know what happened to the last video, but I can tell you this is gorgeous, and it's actually lighting up my world. I still don't, I understand a lot more than I did, but I'm still in the dark. I've got orbs that only come out when it's raining. I've got orbs that, you know, it's quite interesting. Trying to work with that. I want to see what's like over everywhere, you know? Wow. What in the world? They're just right here. You never know. See that? And it's all about the frequency, the vibration. So, look at that red just dancing through. Gotta love that. I'm soaking wet too, and I don't even care. You know I love you, right? One thing's for sure, I've learned through everything in my life that has happened, I have not lost my ability to love, and I do feel grateful for that. I'm grateful for the awareness of the gift, and I'm grateful for the gift, and I'm grateful to share the gift. That blue is stunning, mesmerizing, all that. Yeah, this is amazing. Our world is incredible, isn't it? Alright, I love you.